Hey there, I'm Tracy Lynn from DECLUTTERINGminutes.com, back with another clutter shortcut. Okay, today we're going to talk about school papers. Now, whether you homeschool or your kids go to a school outside of the home, this is a great way for you to downsize the amount of papers that you're keeping for each of your children. So I know when my oldest was born, I kept everything. I did not throw away any slip of paper. And that even continued on when he started going to school. I kept all the things. I kept the artwork, I kept the papers, I kept the projects, the homework, the tests, I kept it all. And before long, I had all these totes just full of papers that I threw in from every year. So when my oldest graduated, I had all these papers. And you know how you do like those memory displays for your kids when they graduate? And I was trying to do a memory display for him, but there was so much stuff. You guys had kept so much stuff. So at that time, I tried to come up with a way where I could downsize the papers, keep enough that would represent every year of when he went to school, and make it compact so that I could pass it on to him someday. So what I did was I got an accordion file. Now, this is his file. This is his file. Back then, my son is in his 30s now, but back then they just had the cardboard files. They now have much more durable files. They have really good plastic ones, but these were the cardboard file that I used, and I set one up for each of my boys. I went to a craft store. Hopefully you can hear me. I went to a craft store and I just got a few stickers. He played football and he loved that sport. And he played baseball as well over here. So I put a few stickers on it, put his name on the front, and then set this up as his school memories container. So when you open it up, in these accordion files, there's 13 pockets, I believe, right? If you count the front, there's 13 pockets, which is perfect because that gets them from kindergarten all the way through 12th grade. And then in each pocket, I put a collection of memories that showed good grades, that showed bad grades. There's artwork in there from when he was younger. There's a school picture in there that showed what he looked like at that age, and just enough to have a nice representation of his school years through all of the years. Now, it's very heavy, so it's hard to hold up there. There's a lot in there. Even though it's accordion file, you can see how much space I used. So I kept a really good collection for each year, enough that he could see his awards are in there, his projects are in there, his report cards are in there, all included inside. So when you close it up, he now has all 13 years of his schooling education. Of course, this is not college or anything like that. This is just his regular schooling that he can look back on, share with his own family, share with his own children, and he's not drowning in a mishmash of papers. So if this is the start of the school year for you, this is a good time to incorporate one of these accordion files. Make it a family project. Have your child be a part of decorating the accordion file, putting on stickers, decorating it with pens and pencils and markers, and making it their own personality. And then at the end of each year, you can have them be involved on what papers they want to keep, what pictures they want to include, and what awards they want to have inside. And hopefully this will help you turn maybe a cluttered memory collection into something that is a joy and a treasure that you can pass on to your children when they get older. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tip. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.